Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we will need to convert fraction or decimal into a percentage. And frankly speaking, both uses the same method. When we want to convert, in this case there is decimal or fraction into a percentage, all we have to do is to multiply by 100. Alright, and so this is how you present your answer for part A. 3/5, I will need to multiply by 100%, so that when I key into the calculator, it's 3/5 times 100. This part here will be equals to 60. And the unit is percent. Part B, same method, 7/8 times 100%. Having got a percent and 7/8 times 100, that will give me 87.5. So to take note, when we key into the calculator, we do not need to key into the percent because that is part of the units. So that is for part A and part B. Part C is the same. All we have to do is to multiply by 100%. Again, the unit is percent. All we have to do 0.45 times 100. That will give me 45. So the answer is 45%. And part D, 1.37 times 100%. Again, the unit is percent. If you multiply by calculator, 1.37 times 100, that will give me 137%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.